The valedictorian award is given to two students who sum up everything that's good about being a student at the school. We vote for this as staff, and we don't just give this for academics. We give this award and we vote on this award for students that have contributed to every aspect of school life, whether it's in leadership roles, whether they're president of the SAC, whether they're taking part in sporting events, helping volunteer at events like this. There's a whole range of factors that go into this. Our first award winner, how to talk about him? President of the SAC in his final year at the school. David joined us in grade 9 and really did get into the spirit of the school straight away. He's a very confident young man and he's very well liked by his peers. It really does make me feel good knowing that I've taught him a few things and when he comes back and says that what I taught actually helped. Our loss is Trent University's game where David's doing business admin. I'd like to welcome David and James up to the stage to give the valedictorian.
Thank you, Andy. Well, the graduating class in 2012, we had a good run. For 4 years, many of us wondered if we would ever get to this day, and a lot of times it was certain we weren't going to. But graduation day has finally arrived, and I'm honored here to stand before you as one of your valedictorians. When I first came to school in grade 9, I sat down with our lovely Principal Joy, and instead of grilling me with an academic questionnaire like I expected, she asked me to bring 10 questions of my own to ask her. This atmosphere of openness and focus on the individual is what truly makes Willowwood unique. An important part of this vision were the wonderful teachers of this fantastic school. It was easy to come to school when we had such caring and kind teachers, such as Guy Mangrove, who took an almost motherly approach to education. Only at Willowwood would you have a prom where all the teachers and staff joined the party on the dance floor, including a very reluctant Fred. But it wasn't all just fun and games. Between Wallach's jam-packed English course and Andy's regimented business program, you were hard-pressed to find downtime. When it came to academics, not all of us, yours truly included, probably put in the effort that we should have. We were grateful for people like Tamar, who single-handedly boosted the whole grade average. Less academic courses such as gym class may have had fewer requirements, but the torture it inflicted more than made up for it. That being said, I will miss Leisure's early morning exercises at the gym. The res food is really starting to kick in. Speaking of exercise, it is important for me to acknowledge the major loss that Willowwood's sports has been dealt due to the graduation of one of its most elite players. Never again will the basketball team achieve the major glories it had under the guidance of the great Lucas Busney. Honestly, I don't know what Fred will do without him. But on a serious note, the graduating class in 2012 saw some of the best athletes Willowwood ever had. Like Carly, Victoria, Kareem, Blake, and Takeshi, just to name a few. It will be quite the task to replace them. And who can forget Steve's grade 11 biology class, in which me and the rest of the guys squeamishly dissected the formaldehyde-soaked pig fetus, while the girls under Alicia's leadership had already gutted the pig like a deer, harvested its organs, and begun their analysis. Our idea of a good time was more along the lines of sitting in the dark at lunch, playing Amnesia and trying to hide our screams, or going on a ski trip and consuming more chocolate caramel-covered beaver tails than our bodies could handle. Our class may be small, but we've had a huge influence on the school. I don't know what you will do without us. We were such a great group that Marcella couldn't even imagine being here with us, so she left too. On behalf of the graduating class, I would like to thank the teachers, staff, and our families for standing by us and believing that we could make it. To quote Josh Berry's yearbook message, "It has been a delight studying here for the past many years. Thank you so much, and I wish you all very well in the future."